Do you know which country is world's fifth most powerful country? And of course we know it, it's India. An untold story is also exists in India and we found it recently. So we want to change. So do you know which country is one of the world's dustbin? It's critical answer, right? And of course it to our India. Is it a heap of waste or it is a heap of money? We don't know. Actually the India is affecting by a lot of e-waste which are produced by our friends and most of us are having in our home. Actually, we are getting more than 70% of e-waste from other countries like US, Europe. We are doing a recycling process which are not a very good efficient process than the others. And the main disadvantage of this is we are exposed to toxic soldiers and many things which are illegal and which are irrelevant to us. And the thing which we are dealing with is a hazardous waste. That is, it can cause serious health disorders and we are recycling it by unknown methods. If the particular product is given to the certain producer, then the recycler can make a product. But for just an iron and copper in India, most of the e-waste are just in the name of recycling, we are just treating with some acids or some unknown substances just for iron and copper. This is irrelevant and we need a change. So we devised an app in Windows Phone 8. And before that I want to tell you a fact that more than 70% of India's e-waste are from other countries and 23,000 tons of e-waste are processed illegally. This is a much more shocking fact. So why we have to change? What are the problems which are caused by it? Actually, the materials which are present are mercury, beryllium, chromium, lead, which are most poisonous. The lead are present in solders and the cobalt, barium, which are also liberated by CRT monitors, and arsenic are the substances which are layered in the chips. So why we need to do this? At one end of the India, we get more than 200 million tons of e-waste which are processed in a hazardous manner. At another end, we are having in a household waste that are not at all recycled. So our app will link all the users with the authorized recyclers. That's what we want. So we use with the help of the Microsoft Azure, Visual Studio, Windows Phone, Internet Explorer and Windows 8 to bring the change and to bring an evolution. So we are introducing an e-waste. Actually, E stands for efficient e-waste. We are converting an e-waste which are produced into an efficient e-waste. So the architecture of this is e-waste seller which uses his mobile and register in his app, and he can always add the items which are lying in his house which are e-waste like TVs, fridges, washing machine or PCs or mobile phones. The data is stored in Windows Azure cloud, a powerful cloud, and the recycler also do the same process in his own login, and he can just select the category in which he wants to view the items of the user, and the recycle process continues here. We are having a separate login or register form for both e-waste buyer and seller. That is, the both customer and the recycler will be having a separate sign-in page. They are also signing with our Microsoft account, and there will be a separate registration for both seller and recycler, because the categories which they choose may differ and we need some change in the database too. And the next feature is the main page of e-waste. It was quite interesting, and the main page consists of a did you know field, that is, and there will be a fact about the e-waste which are regularly updated to the user, and there will be a goal which are set for each user, that is, each user must give at least minimum 10 products, and their progress is always shown in their notification and in an app. And they are also detailed with graphs too. We are using it for knowing why we need this and how we need to change this. The another one important feature is the user can also add items, and he or she can edit it too. The editing may consist of, like, you can just take your photo of your old mobile phones or anything like your old PCs like that, and you can just view in My Items tab in their app. So this is very much simpler for you to just add the data into your app. The next most important feature of this is the e-waste recyclers features. That is, the e-waste recycler feature consists of a recent page. That is, the product which the recycler recycles will be shown at the top, and the user who added it also shown. And the category can also be edited, and which can also be added to. So the e-waste recycler can easily view the user. So which category the e-waste recycler must be specific. So the recycler can also find the user by the maps. We are using a GPS location to point the user to get the recycled things, and he can just contact him or just see the profile. And there is also a privacy settings which are also installed here. The user who are not ready to share their contact or phone number messaging can also be restricted. So it can be contacted by mail or a phone or a messaging or even Skype and Gmail too. And the user can also be searched. So this is the content of the app to change the future Earth. The only countries that are going to do well in the future are those that win the green race. So we prepare our race with our Windows app to win the race. This is just an app which can even change a lot of things around the world. So our thanks to Dr. P. Alia, HOD, and Mr. G. Vinod Chakravarti, our mentor.